Section 2, Exploring with HTML5. Now in this section, we'll be taking a close look at layouts and design, body and elements, images, sounds, and videos, icons, and adding pages and linking them. Within this specific section, we're talking about layouts and designs. Now bear in mind, all websites pretty much have the exact same layout pattern. You have your header, a body, and a footer. Let's break this down a little bit. Your header section will host all of the site's logo and as well as main links such as about, help, contact, services, etc., etc. The body is where we're going to nest all of the content for your viewers to see. This can include sidebars, navigation, images, videos, and a variety of other things. And then finally our footer. This is going to host the website's information. Consider like a mini intel box. This is where, the company's address, phone number, email, website master, as well as other links. In this section, we're going to be taking a close look at the header element. Now in this video, looking inside the header element, we're going to learn how to create a header. We're going to insert content into our header, and then we're going to create header links. Alrighty, so we have our Atom editor opened up. What I did was I went to File, Open Folder, and I directed it towards my folder that I had set up from the previous version. Once we have our Atom editor opened up and we have it directed towards the folder we want to, let's go ahead and start creating our header element. We're going to go ahead and create the HTML and body tags that we're going to be inserting all of our website's content into. We can do that by going HTML, body, close off our body, and then close off the HTML. Now what this just did was we created an HTML website and then added the body section, the exterior body section if you would, to our website. Now we can actually dive into building our website and getting a header set up. So let's do header. Now there's two different ways we can do this. The first way is actually call it a header element. Another thing we could do is call it a div. This would create a div box. Now if we did it this way, we could then, when we get ready to do our CSS, go class header. We could do it that way. However, for this purpose in HTML5, we can call it header. That way in our CSS, when we do our header, it'll all be perfectly congruent and we won't have to call it classes, which will help out by reducing inline stylization. Now inside of this header, let's add some content. And usually what people have on their header is like a little site wordage or an icon image that is for the site. What we're going to do here is we're going to create a text version of this. And we're going to do that by doing H loves PC repair. And there's that. So now we have our site's header wordage set there. Now let's go ahead and we're going to create an unordered list to capture the site's navigation, such as the about page, the contact page, and services. We can do that by calling our unordered list by doing UL, and then we're going to call a list item, LI, list item. And now we can name this list item whatever we want to. So let's say the first page we're going to want to link to. Let's say that's our about page. So we do about, and then we close off our list item. Let's create another one for contact, and our final one will be services. You can rearrange these in any order you see fit for your website if you're not following along exactly the way we're doing it. Or you can rearrange the different links to be different ways. So you have services first, then contact, then about, however you want to do it. Now let's go ahead and close off our unordered list and close off our header. Alrighty, now we have created our header links. Congratulations. So what we just covered is we grabbed our header, added an H1 element, then we created an unordered list types.